My name is Dennis Kelleher. I'm a patrolman for the Tewksbury Police Department. Been a police officer for going on 14 years. And here in Tewksbury, I transferred just under 3 years ago. Best part about working in Tewksbury is how supportive the town is. I can't tell you how many times I've been on a detail or just, driving around or, stopping to get a cup of coffee when I'm on patrol. And I've never had so many people in 14 years thank me for my service, and they always seem to let me know how appreciative they are of the police department. That goes a long way, especially in this job, that you have a community that supports you. And I do think that a lot of it goes back to the partnerships that this department builds with the community as well. I've wanted to be a police officer ever since that I was in kindergarten. I think one of my first Halloween costumes was dressed up in my grandfather's police uniform. Growing up, he talked about the honor and the prestige of wearing the badge, and I just, really think it was a calling mixed with him, always talking about the job. What's great about being a police officer is, something new every day. It's not a boring job. I think I've always been drawn to helping people as well. Most police officers, when they say that they want to be police officers, it's to help people. And as kind of simple as that sounds, I think that you kind of have to have that in you if you want this job. Sometimes it can be a thankless job, but at the end of the day, when you have somebody thanking you, it just puts a smile on your face. Can't ask for anything more than that.